Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Family Fun RV. Just wanted to go over another quick segment of Ty's tips. 'Tis the season for everybody to go out and go camping this year, and we need to do our checklist. And there's a lot of little things that we can overlook. We're getting in a hurry. We want to prep our unit, take off and get on the road and get to our camping spot. So just a quick little reminder for everybody. Check when you're getting your unit ready, check your tire pressure, check your battery levels, check your pressure in all your tanks. Make sure that your vents are closed. Make sure that your TV antenna is down. Make sure that you go through that little checklist, because a lot of times we're in a hurry. We want to get on the road. We want to beat the rush. But those little things can cost you, and they can ruin a camping trip really quick. So make sure that you go through your little checklist. Remind yourself not to be in a hurry. But also, when you're going through things, there's a lot of things that we can also do to help help us be safe on the road. Because the last thing you want to do is be stuck on the road or cause an accident. Some of the things that you might want to look at are anti-sway control weight distribution hitches. We just put this one on this morning. Owners are going camping. Weight distribution sway hitch on your trailer. This thing here, folks, can really save you guys from being in a serious accident. We all seen little things going around when you load your toy hauler up, got all your toys behind you, traffic is bad, all of a sudden you start swaying on the road. What this thing is going to do is it's going to give you a weight distribution on here, equalize your weight, and give you a sway control. Back up just a second. So when you're on here, what these bars will do, if you've ever seen anybody start fishtailing with their trailer or the truck ruts in the road, it's going to eliminate that. So safety is a #1 goal that we all want to do, so that we're all safe on the road. We get to and from and back home in one piece, and we're all safe and we have an enjoyable trip. So anyway, just a reminder on that. If you're looking for something to keep you guys safe on the road, come see us at Family Fun RV. We would love to be able to help you out and keep your family safe. Also, just remember, do that checklist. Make sure your jacks are up on your travel trailers before you hook onto them, pull them out, because that can help you guys avoid any situations you might have. But again, Ty's tips. If you need anything, please call us at Family Fun RV. My number is 503-860-3356. Have a fun and safe year, guys, and happy camping.